What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Noah here, and I'm back again with another video, guys. Today is just another day in my life, and today I'm going to be doing one of the things I have been starting to do regularly on this channel, which is showing you a trade breakdown of the trades I took this week. And why I'm doing this is because I think it's going to help someone out there who trades like maybe similar style, because you don't trade my strategy but you might be trading something similar. So I'm going to be showing you the trade breakdown of the trades I took this week. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Noah. I document my life here on YouTube, sharing my struggles, my wins, and how I'm succeeding in forex trading, and I'm sharing that with you all. So you want to learn my style or get the prop firm I use, broker, whatsoever, learn from me. Everything is in the description of this video. Just check the video description. So let's get on with the vlog. This is not a vlog. Let's get on the charts, fam. Okay, fam, so for the week I took one trade. I took one trade on GBP US. Okay, I took one trade on synthetics, and then the other trade I was looking to take on GBP USD didn't work out. It didn't play out well. So yeah, let me just show you guys. No, the other trade I was looking to take on GBP USD, the set of the confirmations was not complete. So but the synthetics one we took was a loss, and we just chilled and we are done for the day. So here now, let me just show you what I saw. This is on the 1 hour time frame, and price was bearish. Let's go to like 15 minutes so it will be easier for you guys to see what I'm trying to show you. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, right here, I hope you guys can see my screen clearly. So right here, price was bearish on the synthetics. I trade power 100 index. Since I'm someone that is big on consistency, if I'm trading only GBP USD, I'll stick to it. So since I'm coming to synthetics, I just pick one that I love and I like, and I stick to it too. So that's how I do my thing. Consistency is big in the game, guys. So right here, price was bearish on GBP USD. It was just swinging highs and swinging lows and doing other stuff, and then it was selling down strong. So I defined the trend with my trend line. I defined it just to make sure that I'm seeing it clearly, that price is selling down bearish. And then I started seeing a change of character. Now this is where I decided to enter my trade, because I started seeing a change of character. So where I saw the change of character was around this point here. Around this point here, there was a break of structure to the upside. This is the flip around here. Let me show you. So price broke structure to the upside, but this first break of structure, I don't usually accept it sometimes, because I feel like it could be a fake out. So let me straighten this line. You know, this is on the MetaTrader, so it won't be to maneuver through it wouldn't be as smooth as the normal trading view. But regardless, let's see. So this is where I got my break of structure right there. This was where I got the first confirmation, and this was why I was looking to buy. So when price broke structure and changed character, it started changing sentiment from bearish sentiment, which was a downtrend. You can see price was selling down strongly to the downside, and then it started changing sentiment from bearish to bullish sentiment. Now this was where I was looking to take the trade. I was looking to take a trade at this point. So what did I do? I waited for my confirmation, and the moment price broke structure, that was when in fact that was my main sign to enter this trade. So I waited for price to pull back into my zone, and then this was where I bought. Yeah, right here, guys. And while trading synthetics, I don't use my confirmation entries. Yeah, I don't use my confirmation entries for synthetics. I only use it for my pairs like GBP USD. Whenever I come to synthetics, no confirmation entries. I just trade and do my thing. So this was where I entered the trade, just right here. And first of all, it was coming down. When I entered, it was coming down like dipping and dipping, and everybody was scared and stuff like that. Then it started going back up. Now there was a place I made a mistake. And what was my mistake? I usually break even when I'm up like a 1-to-1 risk to reward, but I did not break even this time. And this is why you should always stick to your trading plan, stick to your rules, and don't break. In fact, don't change it for anybody or for any reason. I'm supposed to break even. Now when price started moving up, I shared it with the inner circle. I told them that okay, price is moving up, let's break. No, I'm planning to break even. I told them that they can break even, but for me, I'm planning to break even soon, because I didn't intend to break even at that particular point. I was still expecting price to just move up a little bit, maybe at least above this trend line here. The moment it goes above this this bigger, stronger trend line here, that was when I wanted to break even. But had it been I stuck with my plan on that very good day, the simple and the best thing to do was to just break even at this point. I was up a 1-to-1. In fact, my account was already flipped, I guess. I can't remember what I saw on that. If you want to check it, just check the description. Go to the Telegram channel and you can see where I posted it, so you can see the numbers on my account if it was flipped at that point. But I know I was up a good amount at this point. So instead of breaking even, following my plan as usual, I did not. I didn't break even. Just saying, okay, let's just tap small, like just break this trend line here. And unfortunately, it didn't break this trend line. It bounced on the trend line and dropped, and I got stopped out. Though I didn't wait for price to get to this point and stop. When I saw the momentum and with the way power 100 index is, I knew that, man, after all this long waiting and all that stuff, this wasn't going anywhere. So immediately at this point, this was where I got out. I didn't even wait for it to come take me out by itself. I got out around here, and then it still acted like it was going to go up, then poof, stopped everybody out, guys. And we did it on the 1 hour, but I came on the 15 minutes so that I can show you guys so that it can be clear, because on the MetaTrader you can't easily like just maneuver the way you do on TradingView. TradingView is more smooth and all that stuff, but it's still cool, guys. So this was the loss I took. This was on what was it called, on power 100 index. And power 100 index is very volatile, guys, very volatile, and if you don't know what you're doing, you could lose your whole money. But at the same time, it is good if you know what you're doing, you have a working strategy, you can trade it. So that was the loss I took, and it wasn't really fun to take any loss. Like, taking losses, guys, is not usually fun, but it's part of the game. Like, what am I supposed to do, cry? No. So that was the loss I took here. Price pulled and stopped loss out, and the moment I got stopped out, I wasn't looking to take any trade, because if you can see, that price kept rejecting on this trend line. You can see it. So this was telling me that because this my trade didn't work out, then I don't think price would even go up again, because it rejected here, dropped, and then rejected here again. It broke first, but it's still selling down. Like, I didn't even care to take the trade anymore. I was just done for the day, because I was really, I wouldn't say pissed off. I control my emotions when it comes to trading. I was just looking at it, then I flipped off, went to TradingView, opened my GBP USD chart so that I won't be seeing it, because I really don't want to give too much attention to it. But it is what it is, fam. So I'm just sharing this to be very transparent and vulnerable, and just let you guys know that regardless of how good you are in trading, you will still take losses, guys. Losses are part of the game, and it doesn't matter how good you are. Whether you're a professional, a newbie, you will still take losses. But the difference between a newbie and a professional is that me now, as a professional forex trader, I know that if I take a loss, that's not the end of it. I'm very good in my skill. I'm very good in trading, and if I take a loss, I'll make my money back. I know I will make my money back. The money I lost here, I'll make it back, as long as I stick to my plan and stay consistent. But the problem is that as a newbie, some of the times they might not handle their emotions well, and when you take this loss you want to jump in, and just imagine you jumping in again because, oh, price stopped me out. You want to, because if you see, you notice that the moment, look here, the moment price stopped me out here, it started pulling back up. So any newbie that saw this kind of stuff might even jump in on this, because even me, I was feeling so I don't know, so confident in this new move that I felt like maybe it might go up, but I wasn't taking it, because when I take one loss, I'm done. So when I saw this candle here, this one here going up, forming this hammer candle here, I saw that price might go up, but it has to like keep going for it to go up, not reject and start dropping. But I didn't take the trade. I was just fine for the day. I was done for the day. I was like, even if it goes up, I'm just going to stick to my plan and just see what happened. It didn't go up, it started going down. So this is why you should always stick to your plan regardless, guys. You take that loss, you rest. If you are taking 2 loss for the day, take the 2 loss and rest. Don't start playing hero or trying to revenge the market, because you can't revenge. This is like, guys, you can't revenge the candles or the market or wherever. It is you against you, like you're trading against yourself. So if you're trying to revenge the market, you keep losing till you blow your account. You can't revenge. They don't revenge in trading, and this is one of the things that the trap that newbies fall into, trying to revenge and fight. But by the time you keep taking losses and you keep improving, you realize that in trading it is you against you. So that's the trade I took, and that's what I just wanted to share with you guys today. I took a loss, and that is fine, guys. Last week, I wouldn't say, okay, it's not last week, this week, because today is Saturday. So I wouldn't say that this week was a bad week. No, it can't be a bad week just because I took a loss. But my performance for this week was not like it was not a top-notch performance, because we ate loss, we chop loss. So we come back another day, guys. I'm hyped up for next week. We come back next week and we strike the market again. So if you are not in my free telegram, I have a free telegram where I just share signals, and you guys have been wanting me to do this even right from when I started this channel. You guys have been saying signal group, and I finally created a community where I share signals. So if you want to join that, the link is in the description of this video. You will see the title of my video. Click it to open up the video description. That is where you will see all my links, so you can join my free telegram community. And if you want to learn how I trade, guys, my liquidity strategy, I can teach you everything from the starting to the ending. The link is in description, guys. It is not free. The liquidity what am I saying? The liquidity strategy is not free. It took me time and years and effort. Like, it took me a very long time to actually develop my strategy to what it is right now. So if you want to learn it, just know that it's not free. The link is in the description. Just, you see a link to contact me. You can go there, contact me, and hop on a class, one-on-one class. I teach you one-on-one class. You see me, I see you, and we learn. But just know that it's not free. So when you're coming there, come with the mindset that you're coming to pay for knowledge that you want. And also, the broker I'm using is Kwakol Broker, and for you to trade power 100 index, you have to use Kwakol Broker to analyze. Like, you can use their MetaTrader. Just go to the Kwakol website, scroll down to the bottom and choose the web. You see the MetaTrader web there. Choose it, and you can use it to analyze the synthetic indices, because it's easier there, guys. And also, the prop firm I use to trade is Consummate Traders, guys. The link is in the description. Use my code NoelRaceFX for 5% off. NoelRaceFX. Also check the link in description so that you can see it clearly. NoelRaceFX for 5% off all your orders on Consummate Traders prop firm. For those of you that said you don't know what prop firms are, a prop firm is an institution, or you can say a firm that gives you money to trade, because they know that as traders, one of the things we struggle with is funds. So what you do is, they have a package, like they have different account sizes. Let's say 400k, 100k, 50k, 10k, 5k accounts, guys, to $5,000 account. So what you do is, you have to buy the package. How do you buy it? You buy it with a small money. Let's say for the $5,000 account, it's $49. So you buy it with $49 and then you trade. They will test you first to see if you actually know what you're doing, to be sure you know what you're doing. So if you pass that challenge, after you pass that test, they will give you the live account and you trade it. If you can make 10%, for example, you're trading a $100,000 account, if you can make 10% of that account, $100,000 account, which is $10,000, what do? They give you up to 80 to 85% of the profits, and then they take the rest. Just imagine 100% and somebody gives you 85%, like, you're good. And another thing that I love about the particular prop firm that I use, which is Consummate Traders, is that they have a package where you just have to go pay and they give you a live account direct. Like, you don't have to pass any challenge, they can just give you a live account direct, but just that the price for that one is higher than the normal price where you have to pass a test or a challenge. So that's what it is, fam. That's what I wanted to share for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah guys, if you enjoyed it, make sure you smash the like button for your boy and subscribe to the channel. And we don't know what might be coming soon, maybe another trade breakdown or a day in the life vlog, but let's see how it goes. I'm going to put you guys on, and if you are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, because that's where you get a lot of my updates on my stories, guys. I post a lot, guys. So it is what it is. See you next time. I love you guys so much. Peace out.
Work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. You're never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.